That's really what majority of the game is. So it's not like I'm sitting here missing all the clips of you lot. It's just like not really nothing going on. And then it looks like it's about to rain as well. Let me show you. It looks like it's gonna rain for real. The sky's kind of dark. Let's go back and see the play. Because it's 2 strikes and he hit it behind him. Let's do one more play again before that's it. Ready. He's trying to catch the other guys leaving the bases. See, nothing again. Waste of time. But look. Oh, look, who's coming up? That's Judge. That is Judge coming up, so let's see. Damn much. I thought he was going to head it out of here.